What's up guys, in today's video we're going to talk about how to create your offer so good that people are feeling stupid saying no to. And this is going to be the most important part into creating your SaaS agency. And if you stick to the end of this video, we're going to show you the exact step and framework to creating your own irresistible offer today, and some example that you can take away to integrate with your existing current offer. So let's dive into it. So the first thing that you need guys is to pick your niche, aka your industry. We want you to actually stick with one single industry for at least 3 months to get enough result and data to be able to decide to either persist or pivot into a new industry. And later on in this video, I'm going to show you the reason why it's important to actually stick with one industry rather than pivot into multiple different industry. And the next thing you need guys is to draw your ideal avatar. So within that industry, for example real estate, there's so many sub avatar and sub niche that you can actually choose from. Right, for example, there's buyer agent, seller agent. You could just pick real estate agent who's doing 20k a month, real estate agent who make at least 1 to 2 sales a month. So you want to be asking yourself basic question on who can afford your service to begin with. Again, for example, real estate is quite competitive. You may want to go sub niche on the get-go. And to contrast that, for example, plastic surgeon, you probably don't want to go sub niche because the audience is going to be too small. So the next thing here is to pick a free hook, and this is where GoHighLevel really come in, because with the 30-day free trial there's no upfront investment from you. Therefore you can leveraging that 30-day free trial and use Highlevel feature that you normally get instantly or get for free from Highlevel and offering that to your client. So for example, website template, you're getting that for free in GoHighLevel library, chat widget and funnel, and so much more. We're just gonna list 3 for the sake of this video. The next step guys is to package your free stuff with a payment plan or a setup fee, aka cash flow. So as you probably know, if you're just starting out, it's very crucial to have a very good hook, and having a free offer will help you massively. So one of the examples that I'm going to be laying out here is a free website. And as you probably know, going to Highlevel and getting a free website only takes you 2 clicks. Again, this is what we call leveraging guy. Having GoHighLevel will help you massively into running your own SaaS agency. So with the free website offer, what you can offer alongside with that is a customization and a setup service. So you can charge people $500 to $1,000 just to put logo, phone number and all that stuff for them. And the other one is the hosting fee. Now this is literally nothing that you have to do. Highlevel will provide a hosting fee through their web server, but you obviously can charge that. And the other one is building a backend automation, aka lead capture. When people are getting a website, what's going to come onto the website? Traffic. And with that traffic, there's going to be interest expression in a form of phone number, email, and full name. And you want to build automation that capture all this lead for your client. And then alongside with that lead, now you're going to have a CRM to web host those leads. So again, hopefully you guys can get the point of it now, just by going to the Facebook groups or just by calling someone or email someone, said, hey Mr. Prospect, I don't see you have any website right now on Google, so can I offer a free website for you? And once they reply, you just have to get them to a Zoom call and explain to them that this is everything that needs to happen in order to have your website built, and then you can go ahead and enroll them into your business. So let's go ahead and show you another example on how we may package this for course creator and coaches out there, right? This is more like B2B. So for course creator, you want to create a free course. For example, for our business, we have a free course on teaching real estate agent on how to run their Facebook ad, how to set up their Highlevel. So how do you make money from that? You make money from that by offering them a sub account, and if you know it costs you nothing, and if you set that on automation, it also costs you nothing in terms of time to set everything up. And on top of that, you can charge them the SMS and email rebilling. And you can sell them on the Snapshot, right? We have a real estate Snapshot with funnel, workflow, and all that stuff include. That's definitely value attached to that, right? And then you can upsell them to one-on-one coaching and then support and all that stuff. So again, free stuff, free hook that get people in, get people interested, and then you will make money on the back end. Really guys, I really want to get your thinking along this workflow. So guys, really get creative with this. One of the trends that I see with successful student and successful affiliate that come with us is the amount of creativity that they get into their business. It is your business, it's your way, it's your style. So make sure that you do something that's unique, and when you say it out loud or when you put it into a Facebook ad, it starts to turn head. So the other example to this is a free chat widget. Right? So this is one of those little bubble that you put into other people's website, and it's literally just a copy and paste code. The obvious one is rebuilding SMS and email. So when someone come in your customer or your client website and then they opt in, the chat widget gonna be message them in the form of SMS and email, and then obviously that's the rebuilding part. You know, the CRM, they're gonna create pipeline opportunity and contact. So you're gonna need a CRM to host that. So that's gonna be a sub account selling right there. And then what you can do is go ahead and push that further to a DFY, done for you offer, such as setting up campaigns, social management. You can charge anywhere between 1 to 3K a month with this. This is the done for you offer, and this is what we also do in our agency as well. Remember this guy, keep everything simple, straight to the point, okay? Business owner want more client, they want more money, right? Whether you're offering them chat widget, website, automation, workflow, it all lead back to getting them more client, getting them more foot traffic, word of mouth, aka making them more money. So you really want to tailor your offer to that. Really just align the language, the word to that, right? So this is why it's important to have an avatar in the get-go. So it just makes your life easier. So for example, for a dentist, you can tailor your offer in terms of language, pain point, and desired outcome just to the dentist industry. So you can talk about teeth whitening client, plastic surgery, book appointment, just really tailor the language to them. So when you're presenting a website or a chat widget, is to get them 10, 20, 50 more teeth whitening client, plastic surgeon client. So hopefully that makes sense. So the next step is the most important and the most fun step is to pick your price, guys. So the free offer is the lead generation. So you're gonna get lead and express of interest a lot from your offer because it's free. The next thing is to upsell them to a subscription, aka the SaaS model. We'll recommend anywhere between $197 to $597 per month. Whoa, hold on. If you're just checking out what the hell GoHighLevel is as a platform or just an aspiring entrepreneur who started an online business, we made a free course on how to start your very own software business from scratch and land your first 10 clients in a matter of 30 days. And this is the exact same course that we use to help our private coaching students to get results such as this. Make sure you find a link somewhere around this video to actually get access to the free course. Now back to the video. This is like USD, by the way. So the one thing that I do differently from most guru out there is just have one fixed price, and then the other price is an upsell price. So for example, I have $197, and the next one is 6 months of that $197, but with a little bit of discount. The reason why we're doing this is we want to keep things really, really simple, especially when you're starting out. You don't want to have 3 different tier products, such as $197, $297, and $497. That just adds complexity to your offer and to your business in general. So again, guys, have one price and have a 6 to 12 month package with that same price with a little bit of discount. And the next thing, guys, is to sell those clients into a high ticket offer. This is what we call the done for you offer. You can charge anywhere between 1 to 6K per month. You definitely can use this alongside with GoHighLevel feature. Highlevel have a social media scheduling campaign and a paid ad reporting. So you want to be using that feature, package it with your done for you offer as well. So the thing about done for you offer is that it's very optional. Obviously, you probably don't need to implement this, but we're doing a hybrid model. We teach hybrid model. This is what you should do, and it just increases lifetime value of your customer. To be able to offer this, you have to have a little bit of experience in your hand. So you're able to offer things such as the risk reversal, guarantee, and client success. And that's going to be about help you offering a higher ticket price point, adding that extra dollar sign to your client lifetime value. And the beauty thing about this is that the retention for each client that you bring in is very high because they have the software subscription with you and then they have the service done with you. And it also means that each client that you bring in have a very high LTV, lifetime value, meaning that you can go out there, spend more and get more client and outbet your competitor because each client that you bring in have a higher lifetime value. So this is it, guys. Hopefully you learn how to create an irresistible offer from this video. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and share this video to a fellow marketer. And if you want to check out our free course, the link is in the description. And make sure that you share your result in the group and ask us if you have any other question. Hey guys, if you enjoy watching the video, make sure that you also checking out this content right there.